Hey, welcome to the Ozzstar channel. I'm Glenn, and on today's fun project, we've got part 5 of the Mini Cooper S tune-up special here. So today we're just going to do the cabin filter. The in-cabin filter is located up underneath the glove box on the passenger side. We're going to swap that out. It's pretty easy. I'll show you how to do it, give you the part number, and let's go check it out. So let's take a look-see under here. And by the way, the owner tells me the glove box is broken. So yes, it is unlocked. She said something might have got wedged up into the latch, so that's going to be another project. Anyway, up under here is our cabin filter. Let me show you where we're located. So it's right up under this plastic piece right here, and there's a couple of clips. So I'm just going to try to do this one-handed. I don't know how shaky the camera's going to be. So there's 1, 2 on the back. There's 3 on the front, 4. Just drop that sucker down. Who knows what we're gonna find. Like I say, I may have to put the camera down. Nope, I got it. And that's how, let me show you how this will go in. So this piece that flares up goes towards the steering wheel, towards the driver's side. So anyhow, oop, we got a little leaf there already. And here's our filter up in here. So you can see how it sits, kind of curls around. So I just grab a hold of it right here, pull this side down, and it's sitting in some grooves. So let's pull this out. Let's see how great this is going to be. I think we're going to have some good stuff on this. I don't know if it's ever been replaced. I don't think it has. So this should look awesome. All right, just keep pulling it out. It's like 1.5 feet long. Look at all this crap that just fell out of it. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good. What is that? Definitely not edible. Anyway, this is what a dirty cabin filter looks like. So we'll vacuum this crap out. Let me get the new one and I'll give you the part number. Let me just show you before I start sliding it in. You'll see this groove here. So it's kind of like an inch, what, 1.25 inches. And you kind of just push it this way up into there. So I'll be right back. So we're using a man filter, which is, you know, BMW stuff. CU4624 in this case. Here's the new one, and you can see it's got like these plastic ribs. They'll go down. There's a lot of talk about which way the filter goes. I'm going to show you the correct way. So here's the airflow, and the arrows are pointing down. Well, that's exactly how you want it to go in, just like that. The air is coming, where's my finger? Here, down, that way. So we're going to take this way and put it up in there, and we'll be all set. You can see I'm going to start feeding this in here now, and it's in the track. Let me make sure we're in the track. This side closest to us isn't. I'm doing it all by feel. There we go. Let's get this side here, and I'll just start fishing it up. Right up in there, and you got to manipulate it. Of course, I'm sliding all over the place. What about this side? There we go. Okay, that's good. I can feel it now. You run your hand along it, you'll feel that it's in position. Now this side on the end, can you see that on the camera? Yeah. So this just kind of floats right there. So just bring it, force it back this way a little bit, just so it sits there. The cover will hold it in place. Let me get you a tight shot of this so you can see that. Oh, I did a wonderful job. Look at that. Time for our cover to go back in, and it's just going to snap back in place the opposite of the way we took it off. So give it a little bit of pressure and you'll hear it click into place. That's it, it's done. We're all set. Oh, I forgot to tell you, if you buy this, man, it comes with instructions. You don't need it now, you can just throw them out. Anyway, that filter that came out, I should be wearing a respirator. That thing's like on the EPA's most wanted list, I think. I don't know what was growing on there, and I don't want to know. I don't want to find out. It's going in the trash. So thanks for joining along on this video series. I appreciate it. We got all 5 steps done. I need to get this glove box open now, so I'm going to film it. I don't know if it'll ever be a video. I don't know how many people's Mini Coopers get their glove box stuck, but we'll do something with it. Thanks for stopping by the channel. I appreciate it. Comments, questions, suggestions, all down below. Do what you do. Other than that, click the red button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy. It's like every time I film outside, I just get ready to turn the camera on and a plane just pops out of nowhere. It never fails. Listen to this thing. Oh, man. Life and times of a YouTuber.